Hi everyone, welcome to the FLAC3D training course. My name is Mohammed Amini. I am a designer and lecturer of geotechnical non-engineering software. This course is perfect for you if you are interested in design and modeling with FLAC3D software in geotechnique, rock mechanics, and in earth science engineering. This training consists of 5 courses including FLAC3D version 7 and version 9. For beginner course, it's about 15 hours. FLAC3D version 7 and version 9 for advanced course is 10 hours, and in specific FLAC3D version 7 and version 9 for tunneling and slope stability and open pit mining course, and finally underground mining with FLAC3D version 7 and version 9 course, which we designed with your requirement in mind to inject the best possible value and expertise in numerical modeling. This course was crafted for numerical modeling, and we are confident it will bring tremendous benefits to engineers. In this program, I start with an introductory course for those unfamiliar with modeling technique and simulation. Then I offer an advanced course to provide a more comprehensive understanding of all of modeling methods and coding. Additionally, I teach 3 specialized courses on tunneling, slope stability, and open pit mining, and also underground mining. In each course, we begin by covering the fundamental concepts of engineering problems. Then we proceed with practice example to design and simulate a real-world case study. You will receive course videos, necessary files, and even the presentation materials. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on LinkedIn to check out simple lessons. You can register using the private link and join the course and join us. Once registered, you will receive the full course syllabus. Don't forget my name. My name is Mohammed Amini. I'd love to hear your thoughts or answer any question you might have about the course. If you are interested in exploring how it can support your goals, please don't hesitate to get in touch.